Okay, we've got an experiment coming up. You know, we like to shake things up here on Good Day. I've got John Arking here. He's a software architect.
Yes.
And this is what we're talking about this morning. There are ways to do things if you talk to techies, and they can show you how to do really cool things for free. So how would you like, first of all, to be able to make phone calls with a simple laptop? I shouldn't say a simple laptop, but gone are the days where you technically need, you know, a landline. A lot of people don't even have landlines anymore, but you can do it for free or at a little cost.
Absolutely true. Funny thing is that nowadays most people have computers, but they don't realize how powerful those computers are.
The potential.
The potential is huge compared to what it was even 10 years ago, like you said, when people were using technologies like this one, voice over IP.
So for viewers who are like me at home, we're not really tech savvy, but we want to learn how to do this. We're really going to try and make this user friendly. We've got a guy outside, your friend, right?
Yep.
And he's with
Shane.
Mike Jarek.
Yes.
So explain what you're going to do here.
Well, Shane has an application that's called Skype running on my iPhone.
Okay.
And is logged in under actually my wife's name, Andrea.
Okay.
We have Skype running on this PC right here. We're both connected over the internet, and what I'm going to do is just make a free and simple phone call to him, and it's going to sound good, it's simple and easy to use, and it's easy to install.
Okay.
So check it out.
All right.
I'm going to select my wife's name here, Andrea, and again, remember, it's not actually her on the other side of the line, it's Shane.
Okay.
And all I do is hit call, and give that a second for him to pick up. You see it operates like a phone.
John Arking's calling. Should we take the call, Shane?
Sure.
Hello,
Hey,
Shane.
John.
How are you?
How are you, brother? It works.
Well, we're both connected over a Wi-Fi network, and the phone call that we're having right now is completely free, whether you are outside of the studio or if you are out in the middle of Hong Kong.
Wow.
Provided that you can get on the internet, this means of communication is free, and it's also extremely useful for collaboration. At my company, Arking Technologies, we use this often to do video chat, to share documents, and it is a completely free application that you can use for any number of different tasks. It's really a terrific, really terrific vehicle of communication.
That's pretty cool. So Mike, can you hear us clearly?
Yeah, there's probably some feedback because there's a delay over the phone.
Right. That's pretty cool. So for our viewers at home, before we move to the next thing, how do we do this?
Well, it's real simple. Go to Skype.com.
Okay.
And at Skype.com, you're going to go ahead and you're going to download just the basic application and install it using all the defaults that are there.
How much is it?
It's a free application.
So it's free?
It is absolutely 100% free.
Good stuff.
There are versions of it that you can pay more money for, but I think for your viewers and for most of the people out there that use it, just go with the free version.
Listen, if you think your phone bill's too high, give this a try. All right, one more thing. Home security, that's huge.
Yes.
You can do that with the laptop.
Yep, another great tool that you can use your very powerful computer for is for home surveillance.
How do we do it?
The best thing about this is that most webcams nowadays are very, very cheap, $20, $30.
Sure.
Or in the case of the computers that you're looking at here, they're kind of integrated with the system. And what you can do is download a tool called BlueIris, for example.
Okay.
It's free to use for 15 days. Or it's about $30 to purchase.
Okay.
And then what you can do is just take your integrated web camera, turn it on, and turn it into a motion-detecting security robot.
It can detect motion.
It can actually detect motion.
So let's just say I put it up in my kid's bedroom, for example. I wouldn't do that, but, you know, just to make sure, you know, Johnny is doing his homework or something like that while I go out of town. So you can put the camera up.
Yep.
And then you just, aim it at a certain place?
You aim it at a certain place.
Okay.
That's whatever portion of the room you'd like to watch.
Right.
You turn on the motion detection and set the sensitivity. It's very easy to use. And what you'll do is just turn it on and let it run. And the minute something passes in front of the camera, it starts to record and stops recording when the motion goes away, so it saves you disk space as well. These are, BlueIris is one of many applications that you can buy. It's very cheap, $20, $30, maybe $40.
Wow.
And if you're really, really good at this, you can hook up a whole bunch of cameras and stream it out over the internet, so you can actually watch your home from anywhere in the world. It's amazing.
How cool is that?
Oh, I did it with my family in Spain. I watched my home when I was away on vacation. Absolutely free.
It's
awesome.
Wow. John, that was good stuff. You got to come back, show us more of this tech stuff.
I'd love to. It's always a pleasure.
Good stuff. All right, where are we going? I'm sorry. Where are we going? 4th and Market. That's nice enough. We'll be right back.
Awesome.
That was really cool.
That was cool. I didn't realize we were going to